Good morning, you guys. It's the end of keto week 3. I believe today is January 21st. I'm about to step on the scale and see what progress we've made in a week. Last time I weighed myself, I was 214, I believe. Let's see what happens today. She's playing in the dry bathtub and I'm walking around my house naked. But that means I've officially lost 11 pounds in 3 weeks. 8, 9, 10, 11. I've lost 11 pounds in 3 weeks. Oh, that sounds really good. I'm really happy with that. So you guys, this is working. This isn't just like a fake diet. I'm not starving myself. Like, this thing is really working. And I've lost 11 pounds in 3 weeks. Oh, I'm so happy. So I like to just make a layer, kind of just like make the coconut cover all the bottom, and then I just put in like that amount of butter. I eyeball it every time, but so far this is pretty good. You guys, today's gonna be a full day. I plan on making garlic parmesan drumsticks for dinner, so we will see how that goes. I have a really good feeling about it. And then CJ and I also just weren't like feeling the workout yesterday, so that means we have 2 workouts today. I think one is like cardio endurance and the other one is abs, so probably gonna do that this morning to just get it over with. Maybe after breakfast, midday, do that. But yeah, things have been going really well so far. I'll probably do a proper update. You guys have probably already seen that before we slide into the weight loss, but I'm just feeling good, guys. And I'm feeling so motivated. It's crazy. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm just gonna enjoy this coffee, probably straighten up around the house, and of course I will let you know anything that I eat or put into my mouth. You will be informed of.
Here we go. Knee hugs for 30 seconds. Tell me what
I just finished my 2 workouts. I decided to do my long one first while I had the energy, and then do my ab one second. And what's great about working out is, and having a consistent program like the Nike Training Club app, it's like I can feel myself getting stronger, and I can recognize that I can hold the same poses that I was doing like the first week. I can hold them so much better now. So I definitely am feeling me getting stronger. And do you guys see how clear my skin is? Besides this, I've had this for like a week, but it actually, besides my right eye, I don't know what's going on with that. It's been that way for like 2 days, but my skin is getting a lot more even toned. I'm not as splotchy as I normally am, so we're going on a month. I'm gonna go ahead and make some breakfast right now, like my usual egg scramble. So let's go and do that because I'm hungry. Today I'm going to start with my Jimmy Dean Hot. I used the regular one last week, and this whole thing usually lasts me about a week's worth of breakfasts. So I only have like a tiny amount. The nutritional facts, it's high in fat. It's 17 grams of fat. Only 1 carb per 2 ounces of a cooked portion. So I've been loving having these in my omelets. So far it's really working well for me. They store really well frozen, and then I just pull them out and defrost them for the week. So let's go ahead and get this going. Okay, you guys, so it's about 2 in the afternoon and I am hungry, so I'm going to have a snack. I am going to have a serving of these Blue Diamond Habanero Barbecue Almonds. The serving size is 28 almonds, and it's 5 grams of carbs and 15 grams of total fat. So I'm going to have that, and then I'm going to have a couple of slices of this cheddar with chili cheese. It's just, you know, just like cheddar cheese with like jalapeno bits in it. So I'm going to have 2 or 3 slices of this too. I really need to drink a lot more water. Since it's already 2, I'm gonna cut back on my green tea, no more tea. But I'll just have like no more green tea. I can have like chamomile or non-caffeinated tea, which is just my personal rule because I really do find that it does affect my sleep, so that's just me. But yeah, so almonds and cheese for a snack. Okay, you guys, so it's about like 5:30 in the evening now, and I'm gonna start the chicken wings. First, I'm just gonna pour some vegetable oil into a semi-deep pan because I'm going to fry the drumsticks first before I pop them in the oven. So let me do this. These are the seasonings I have out: roasted garlic and pepper, regular pepper, some chili powder, salt, and I'm gonna get out some Parmesan right now. In regards to the chicken wings, I fried them on the skillet as you guys saw, but then I'm baking them at 350 for 30 minutes. So I put them in there for 15 minutes at 350, and then after those 15 minutes I kind of re-parmesan the top and put them back in for another 15. Now I'm just finishing up the zucchini. I made Mariah a grilled cheese, and that's dinner. We have an avocado to eat as well, and then if CJ needs more substance, or depending how hungry we are, we'll have some cauliflower rice with it if he wants. Pretty easy.